Hey guys, it's your favorite real estate agent here in sunny San Diego. My name is Alex Trubnikov, and I'm gonna be showing you this property right here, just listed for $3.2 million in La Jolla. So with that being said, I don't wanna waste your time. I wanna show you the pool and the rest of the home. So we're gonna be starting from the street, which is very quiet because usually people who don't live here don't really drive here. And I think there's a hospital right there. But with that being said, this property was just been done, fixed on and worked on, and it has a lot of great features. First of all, the security is beautiful. As you can see, it's freshly painted. The pool alone, from what I understand, they put a lot of money and time into it. And you have the turf, which is very easy to clean, and maintenance wise is perfect. You have the wall here also to have enough privacy, but also at the same time to have the nice views. So the pool alone, I think, is my favorite part of the whole house. What do you guys think? You can entertain your family, friends here, barbecue, like whatever you want to do. It is up to the new owner. That could potentially be transformed into an ADU, which is your garage. You have the full pool and a beautiful hot tub that I wish I could jump in right now because it's getting a little hot. Imagine when it's sunny. Right here you have a little dining area, which I really like how they used it for the space wise. But let's check out the garage first. It's a 2-car garage and it has custom cabinets. So I mean, custom place for storing. If you like working on cars or you have exotic cars, you can put whatever you want in here. So 2-car garage. Let's walk into the main house, and this is the view from outside. So you get plenty of privacy. But walking in, you got a living area that is very spacious. Kitchen is very bright and white. Let's see the cabinets. Yeah, everything is brand new. Your dining area is right there. Farm sink, which I really appreciate. Privacy. You got your oven, microwave right there. Plenty of space to cook. Got the music going. More space outside. Built-in fridge, which is also really nice. These are expensive. You got the walk-in pantry. Plenty enough to put all of your booze and alcohol. The island is really nice. What do you guys think of the marble? You got space for all your other stuff. That's for the whole of the house. I'm gonna show you the outside in just a second, but first, let me show you your powder room, which is your washer and dryer right here, away from the bedrooms. Sneak peek of the backyard. Here is your first bedroom of, I believe, 4. I like this bedroom because it has a view of the pool. So, and you got a little bird drinking the water. Isn't that funny? 2 of them. Jesus Christ. Free water for everybody. Keep on going with the bedrooms. You got the AC system right here. From what I understand, everything is brand new on this property. They fixed it up to live in the property and not to flip, but they decided to sell because of how hot the market is. This is a pretty masculine bathroom and shower. I like it. I like the little box right there. I appreciate that. The master is gonna be the last bedroom I'm gonna show you, but this is your gym room, which is a bedroom. But I think if you pull this thing down, it's gonna be a bed, right? Yes, you see? So I'm not gonna do it right now, but if you want to save space, and for example, you like to entertain This is probably a bed that you pull out, and this one is 2. So instead of it being here, you can exercise anytime. And then if you have any friends that want to come over, feel free to pull those out, and that would be a bed for you. And now we're gonna walk into the master. You got the walk-in closet. Got the toilet. Got more storage there. But I personally really like this bathroom. I like the lights, the LEDs, how everything is clean. The colors are matching each other. This is not a typical flip. So they lived here from what I understand. I mean, they have some of their personal belongings. You got a little features here and there for the lights, fixtures. This is fancy. This is not a typical flip. So this is really nice too. You got the bathtub here with some privacy. So far the cabinet color, what do you guys think? I like this nut color. And this right here is your master bedroom. I love these humongous windows. They're beautiful. You get a lot of natural sunlight. I mean, it's not even sunny today. It's very cloudy, and you still get plenty of sunlight. And imagine if it's raining. It feels very cozy in here. What do you guys think? Now let me show you the backyard. If I'm able to get in there. I should be. Am I doing something wrong? Yeah, here you go. Perfect. So this is your backyard. I think if you're gonna be entertaining, most likely you're gonna be entertaining at the front, so where the pool is. But this is another area where you can, you got the water feature right there, which is really nice. You got more space right here, so if you have dogs, perfect. If you don't wanna walk them all the time, you can just, let them do their thing here. Let me see what else we got over here. Yeah, you can let them be over here. So that was the property tour here of this property. I actually really liked it. There are not many properties that you can see that they're actually fixing up to live in. Most of them are fixing up to, make a buck, to flip it. But this property right here, as you can see, they put a lot of money into it, over 600,000. So they're not making a lot of profit. If you are looking to buy or sell here in sunny San Diego, I am a real estate agent. I'm gonna leave all the information of this property and my information in the description of this video. So feel free to reach out to me. I have plenty of off-market homes for you to find and to negotiate. So with that being said, until next time, до свидания.